Welcome to University Centre Sparsholt Virtual Open Day. This presentation focuses on our wildlife ecology and conservation degree courses and the resources that we have to support them. We're really lucky to have an extensive campus on a rural site. On the top right of this slide, you can see our semi-natural ancient woodland, which is a protected site. We have a management plan in place for the woodland, which students are able to contribute to through practical skill development. But it doesn't stop there. We have several resources on site that aid teaching on the wildlife ecology and conservation degrees, for example with species ID and technical skill development. So if we have a look in a clockwise fashion from the top left, you can see a picture of our chalk grassland. That's really great for common and small blue butterflies, and we have a butterfly transect on site that's surveyed each year, and students can volunteer to help with this. The data contributes to the National UK Butterfly Monitoring Scheme. We've also got a fishing lake, and we manage the area around this for conservation. So we have a wetland area that includes a reed bed, and that is managed for species diversity, and it also acts as a sink site for white-clawed crayfish, which are a threatened species. Students on the degree have contributed to creation of some of the wetland areas as well. So in conjunction with Habitat and Isle of Wight Wildlife Trust, there are plans to further the white-clawed crayfish project at the college, and University Centre Sparsholt also has plans to develop breeding programmes for other UK native species, such as the hazel dormouse, in conjunction with our on-site animal collection. The tutors have got a range of survey licences that enable opportunities to take part in monitoring of protected species such as the hazel dormice, great crested newts and bird ringing as well. We use these resources on site to aid species identification and technical skill development, but also we visit local sites within Hampshire and the New Forest, and also on the nearby coast. We've got links with several local and national organisations. You can see the list there on the left of the slide. So we're able to incorporate many site visits and guest lectures into the teaching, and these might be used to help develop practical habitat management skills or species monitoring skills, or to hear about projects or aspects of conservation management. These provide students with opportunities to gain a well-rounded knowledge of the ecology and conservation industries. Each year we have a study tour and work placement opportunity. So the study tour in year one has a focus on species and habitat identification, and traditionally we've gone down to Dartmoor for that one. The year two study tour has a focus on habitat management and ecological enhancement techniques. And again, traditionally we've gone to the east of England for that. So we get to see a range of different habitats that we might not encounter in Hampshire. And the year three study tour, we've been to different places for that one, but it focuses on landscape scale ecology and conservation projects. And we visit several sites and meet site managers and hear about different projects that are going on. So often we've visited sites that have had beaver reintroductions on several of the study tours that we've done in year three. We can advise on suitable work placements, enabling students to develop a range of industry skills and experience a range of potential opportunities in employment as well. We're a core team of 3 lecturers, so you can only see 2 of us there, so watch this space for the third one. But we have a range of experience and qualifications that are relevant to different aspects of the industry, giving a well-rounded insight into the ecology and conservation industries. I'm Nicola, you can see me on the right hand side. I've got a range of different experience and qualifications, you can read them there. I've got interests in waterfall monitoring and conservation, urban ecology, coastal ecology, field ecology, and Claire has a PhD with a focus on ecological enhancement of agricultural areas, and she's also got her bird ringing licence as well, so she will from time to time run additional sessions enabling students to develop skills and experience bird ringing too. Progression's excellent from the Wildlife Ecology and Conservation degrees at University Centre for Sparsholt. Several students progressed to postgraduate study in the UK and abroad. You can see Louis there, who progressed to a master's programme in America. And the graduates from last year, there was approximately a third of the graduates that progressed to higher level study, both in the UK and abroad. We're also lucky that because we're validated by the University of Portsmouth, students who enrol onto the Master of Research, the MRes programme with the University of Portsmouth, can still link with Sparsholt. So we do have students from time to time who will progress to the Portsmouth MRes, but actually they'll work with lecturers still within University Centre Sparsholt and potentially use the site as well. Graduates that don't go on to postgrad study work for a range of government, charity and ecological consultancy organisations in a range of roles, for example in environmental education or species and habitat conservation projects, in advisory roles, survey work with ecological consultancies as ecologists, ranger roles. There's a whole host of opportunities out there, and we do have graduates within a lot of those roles. We run 2 wildlife ecology and conservation degree courses at University Centre Sparsholt. The foundation degree in science is a 2-year full-time programme. It focuses on building underpinning knowledge and then applying that theory and those practical skills that have been developed within the industry. Assessments based on a mix of coursework and exams as in both programmes, but the foundation degree has slightly fewer exams than the bachelor's course, and the entry requirements are different as well. You can see the entry requirements on the right hand side of the slide. The 3rd year full-time BSc bachelor's programme offers similar content to the foundation degree over the first 2 years. You can see the unit names on the slide. And then the final year builds specialist skills such as GIS, which is a piece of specialist mapping software, skills in project management, knowledge of application of sustainability to the industry, and a whole host of other skills. It also allows students to focus on an area of interest through research towards a dissertation. If you already hold a suitable level 5 qualification, such as a foundation degree or a HND, you might be eligible to apply to the top-up 1-year full-time course to obtain a level 6 bachelor's qualification. We teach the foundation degree and the BSc together, so our average group sizes are around 15 each year, and that enables tutors and students to really get to know each other. The small group sizes enable tutors to support the students, and that's a real strength of ours, that we are able to offer different types of support to allow you to do your very best on the programmes. If you've got any other questions about the degree, then drop us a line on the email address below, degree-enquiries@sparsholt.ac.uk, and then your email will get sent to the relevant person and we'll be able to email you back with an answer to your query. So thanks for watching, and hope to hear from you soon.